In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update payment method TripAdvisor. If you've booked a hotel, tour, or experience through TripAdvisor and need to change the card on file for that specific booking, I'll walk you through what to do and what to expect, so everything goes smoothly. First, open your booking confirmation. The easiest way is to use the link in your confirmation email. That link takes you straight to your booking details, where you can manage what's allowed for that reservation. If you prefer, you can also go to the My Trips section when you're signed in to your TripAdvisor account or using the TripAdvisor app. Make sure you're opening an official TripAdvisor page or app and double-check you're viewing the correct booking before you continue. Once you're inside the booking, look for a payment or billing area. It may be labeled Payment, Billing, Payment Details, or Manage Payments. The exact wording and layout can vary because TripAdvisor works with different partners for reservations. Sometimes you'll see the payment section directly on TripAdvisor. Other times, you may be redirected to the partner's secure page to make changes. That's normal. When you find the payment section, add or change your card details as prompted. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code carefully, and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file. If there's an option to save this card for the booking, select it so the update applies to any remaining charges. Review everything and confirm your changes. You should see a success message or an updated card display when it's saved. Keep in mind, not every booking allows payment updates. Some partners lock payment after a certain point or handle all charges on their own systems. If that's the case, you'll typically see a note explaining that changes aren't available, or you'll be guided to follow the partner's instructions within the page. Also, changing your payment method won't alter your price or terms. It simply updates how the remaining balance, holds, or upcoming charges are processed. If your card expires or a charge fails, TripAdvisor or the partner may email you with a secure link to update your payment method before they try again. Use that link promptly to avoid cancellation or delays. As a best practice, only update payment details through trusted links or by navigating directly to My Trips, and never share card information over unsecured channels. That's it. Log into your booking, find the payment section, and update your card if the partner allows it. You'll be set for the next charge with minimal hassle.